In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on the VOLTICHANGE, how you can actually connect it and use this to swap in and burn your token. So wait to the end of the video for you not to miss an update. Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. The video for today will be covering the VOLTICHANGE that's been listed on the VOLTICHANGE right now and how you can actually use this. I'm going to be explaining in details how you can actually go ahead to exchange and burn VOLTICHANGE right now. So wait to the end of the video for you not to miss an update right here. So before we move on, this is my page and you can actually go directly to check my former video that I've made on how to swap VOLTICHANGE, how to the new events, wherever. So we actually aiming to meet up to 5k subscriber before the end of this particular year. There we are on 4.9k right now. So if you're yet to hit the subscribe button, do not forget to smash on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon for you not to miss an update. So right now let's move straight into the video without wasting much of our time. So in 7 hours ago we said for our 11-month anniversary we are voted to announce that the VOLTICHANGE is live right now. So the VOLTICHANGE is actually currently live and everyone can finally vote and burn forever. So you can vote and keep burning forever right now. This is what we have on the VOLTICHANGE. Then vote keep trending, vote keep trending. Vote is actually about 11 months right now. Vote started at the month of January and this is the 11 month 2022. This is 11 month already and we are thinking of a great massive high point of voting right now. The prices are currently still all, which a new all-time actually came in, and we have a lot for voting right now. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get out this. So what we are going to be needing is this particular voting wallet right here, which said voltichange.com, voltichange.com right now. So that is actually live. That is what we are going to be using in this particular video for now. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually swap in this. So let's move straight into the, you can actually watch this particular video if you wish to get that. Just go to the official Twitter handle and watch, and voting is actually improving. We have about 116k followers on the Twitter handle right now, and this is a great and massive direction right there. So I'm going to go straight into my Trust wallet to show this out. All right, so coming to my Trust wallet, this is a wallet account right here. So all I need to do is to come right here to click on my D app. So once I come to my D app and I'm going to locate VOLTICHANGE. Okay, voltichange.com. Then I click on this. So once I click on this, it's going to pop up for you to connect your wallet just like this. So I've already connected my wallet on this already. So I've connected my wallet on this particular project. So this is on the Ethereum. VOLTICHANGE is actually currently just like PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So VOLTICHANGE actually brought their own also. VOLTICHANGE brought theirs, and which is called the VOLTICHANGE. So instead of using the PancakeSwap or the Uniswap, you can actually go ahead to use the VOLTICHANGE for your transaction right here. That is currently massive. So that is the same thing you can use. You can actually import, okay, let me import 0.2 worth of Ethereum. Then I'm going to be swapping, is actually loading. Let's see the amount I'm going to be getting. So this is the amount I'm going to be getting in terms of voting. That we have 0.2 Ethereum and we have this. So this is a demo account, so I'm having insufficient right now. You can see that is the amount I'm going to. Then you can actually change this also. You can swap directly from voting to Ethereum. Then we can change this voting to another token right now. So I can change it down to Shiba Inu. So I'm going to click on Shiba. So once I click on Shiba right now, I can actually do same thing, 0.5 worth of Ethereum to Shiba. So this is currently loading. Then you can see we have this particular coin price also right here. So then I'm going to be changing this. Remember to check the current sleep rate tolerance, which is about 3% right now, and check out the sleep rate tolerance to what we are going to be checking. Also the gas price also is actually here about 0.55, like the average gas price right now. So you can actually change back to BNB also if you're actually using the BNB smart chain. Then change back to the BNB from here. So once you change back to BNB, you can actually convert this back to BNB also. BNB. I'm trying to locate that already. Okay, I think it's still actually still working for the pancake swap already. For the unit swap already, the pancake swap is still not available. The team are going to be working on that, and it's going to be coming out very soon. So you can actually change out your sleep rate tolerance also here, but it's preferred to be at automatic, and I think this mode should be on right here. So then I'm going to check again, and let's see what we have. 0.05 watt of voltchanger. So this is currently loading for me, and let's see what we have right here. So the sleep tolerance they're actually giving me here, it's actually 3%, and they said the gas feed is actually average of 0.46% right now. So that is actually massive from this particular project. So this is what voltage change is going to be happening and using. So you can also use your voltage change on your browser. Like if you want to use that on your browser, all you need to do is to click on the website. Then I'm going to use my browser to actually open this. Okay, my Twitter browser. So this is just going to come up. So then you can actually go ahead to connect your wallet. So you can actually you can connect your wallet just like this. Connect wallet, or use your MetaMask, or you can go ahead to use your Coinbase right now. So that is basically how this particular project works.